shoot. You're rich. Ginawa mo siya ng posting na rin sila. Asa, hindi na deh. Asa baby father. Asa wala sa baby father. Oh, yeah. Ada mo siya po.
Releasing dopamine.
A TV excited body. Them a play NFL, National Female League. Got them a play. TV, eh? Yeah, man. I really in my living room still, guys. I want to tell you say this is my secret house. I'm bossing it first. One bag of strange people in my living room. I never know them folks. Yeah. All of them in my living room. The PSYNOS in the building. She for us. Sheri over there, so I saw it.
My mouth was wide open.
No. Talify up in our building. But in now hear what I say.
What? Bro, I was scared.
Yeah, man.
Yeah,
Yeah, man. They make the camera look good. Me, I just crack a lens. You feel sorry for me? Yeah, baby. Hey, me say my friend them over here, so. My friend answer phone and say, hey, baby. No, them nice, bad. The couple here beside them, those nice. See, I rub me down, so me a puppy. Them nice, bad. You know what I mean? Them nice, bad. But me day a vlog world, no? Today is my birthday, my all I know, my all. Happy birthday, my friend. One more year upon them. Wow, we'll live out. Everything. Next year we're doing it again. Happy birthday, my friend. My all know dog. My days them done. It's not right. I not go out me. I just expire so like pill. One shelter. I'm together right. Could I'll shine for it. Me I get old. Jesus. All of my men in my living room. I don't know who him. I be a people in my living room. I watch the TV. Yo. I be a people. Them things are not safe. I'm showing them a 9K TV. Yeah. That's my 300 inch TV, boy. Boy, man, I drop my mad. The Sheri's a phone there. I don't know how it reads space. But it's out there. You remember me? Remember? Don't worry, back road is not. I was just kidding, guys. I can explain. It's a stage in one game, right, Talify? Name back road. Yeah, sure. A final stage. Level 15 in name back road. Yeah, man. A Microsoft make it. But they're on PS5. Don't explain anything to me. Me I tell you me know. So they are doing. Everybody
I had
there.
a long day, okay? I had a long day.
Some friend on a pretty bad. Right?
Hi, baby.
Hi baby. That nice bud. Kiss me.
Thank you so much.
No, no, alright, cool. Can I get back my ketchup? You take out? Give me my soap. Hold on, let me go up there. No, I joke, man. You know, it's a joke, man.
I never did an Oscar. No, I would have. I'm kind of free now.
Sit me on me eye. Hold on, don't take my pitch stuff.
17-16, the visiting Ravens on top. This line will start at the 40. Looking at the two head coaches, John Harbaugh playing corner. And now Hayes Ohio here at the quarterback of Michigan. 83-86, John got a start. Eagles special teams coordinator.
Sit on me eye.
German with me up with
The first one played by the Chicago Bears. The two others went. The first time is the coaches on
Well, let us have no purpose. Go on. Actually, no. Miss,
Who was the better wife today?
Boxer. They're putting me on the spot. Right. Right, here's the bathroom. Cut now, cut.
How many guys get away from that? Excellent job.
Let's go, Tots. Let's go. Yeah. Them a catch back. Me said, as the clock click 12, yeah, send it. Yeah, pick it up. Send him. What do you want? Me say, Flynn, on a 2:30. How about a kiss?
Clean off the camera.
Yes, I do something. Do so.
Well, all right.
What's wrong now?
Don't play with my boy.
Ever play, in my opinion, but opens up that lane for Derrick Henry.
Hasta pensar más claro.
One more year, 5 years.
One, man. One more year.
Come let we go, I'm afraid we're not made late.
John Harbaugh with a couple of
Themselves go home. Them a go home. Yo, you didn't want to blow up bed with it.
You're joking. Yeah.
Oh, Jimmy. Well, flag world me there, just a little chill vibes, just a go and proud, you know. Never do a thing. But this is the birthday part and thing, no? So we there, then bring me out. Big up to Talify, big up to PSYNOS, big up to Sheri Synos, you know what I mean? Not feeling 100%, but now go and press through. Big up to everybody who watch the vlog and thing. Just there. And I love you guys. And yeah, let's go and journey with the boy.
Love at take over the city, no more of the iniquity. Girl, them a come out and you're the one of them look cute and pretty. Me and me virgin.